There are 4 number cards. 2, 3, 4. And the number shown is 7,281. They say use all 4 cards to write down the largest number that you can make. Alright? The largest number that you can make. Of course, doing a problem like this, you want to make sure you must know, of course, what a large number is. In this case, I suggest that you pick the highest number. In this case is 8, so you put down 8, and the next number in terms of size will be 7, going from the largest to the smallest, and then 2, and then 1. So you can see 8 is the biggest, followed by 7, then 2, and then 1. That's the smallest number. So you'd have gotten 1 mark for that one. Now, use all 4 cards to write down any even numbers that you can make. So using all 4 cards to write down any. Use all 4 cards to write down any even number that you can make. Alright, now let's see now. You want it to be an even number, so you naturally want it to end with an even number. So you could use 8, then you use the 2, and then the 1, and the 7, and there you go. Or you could use 2 at the end, and 8 for it, and 7 and 1. But you must make sure that the numbers end with a 2 or an 8. So that's your first part of the paper here. Scroll along a bit to the other section of the paper. It says right here, Kalina is making triangular patterns with matchstick. Now she, so draw pattern 4 and pattern 5 below. You notice they have here, and put this in here, they have 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is happening here? There's 3 here. There's 5 here. Alright, so it means I add 2 to that. So then you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's 7 right here. So again, 5 there's a pattern. Yes, there's a pattern coming up here. Of course, I'm a math teacher, so I sort of figured it out. But the idea is for you to look for any patterns, and that will sort of give you an idea of what the answer is gonna be. So you know, really careful when you do problems like that. Now you know that is 5 plus 2, that gives you 7. You know now that the rule is to add 2. So 7 and 2, that will give you 7, 8, that's 9. And then you can sort of sketch. Let me sketch it for you. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 2 more. 8, 9. So that will be the next pattern. I would draw this. I would draw this. That. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that would be an answer here. That would be 2 marks. Remember, if you want to review these videos, you can just back up a bit. Just scrolling again. Trust me, this technology is fascinating, people. It's a complete the table for the number of matchsticks in each pattern. Again, pattern. Keyword here, pattern. So here we go. So explain how to find the number of matchsticks in pattern 6 without drawing it. Now, if you remember from the diagram here. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? Yeah, you have 3 and you have 5 here. You must try to get the pattern. Right? So far I see that we had 3 here, then we had 5, so it was plus 2, so it was 7, and then here will be 9, and so the fifth pattern will be 2 plus 9, that gives you 11. Alright, again scroll down a bit more. Then go back up a bit. It says here, explain how to find the number of matrix in pattern 6 without drawing it. Now, explaining, you could write, in explain you could say, well, I would write, I noticed that the number of matchsticks went up by 2. So the number of matchsticks went up by 2. So that was the answer. Moving on to the next one. Fill in the missing digits to make the calculations correct. Well, here we have 6 and 5, that gives you 11. You put 1 here and carry 1, and you need to add 1 to the 7, to give you 8, and 8. Oh, they're not adding here. Wrong, my bad. Let's go again. You have 7, 5 from 6 leaves 1, and there's a number that you take from 7 to leave 2. What is that number? The answer is 5, but another way you could have done this is to say 7 here, I have 2 here. Just take away the 2 from 7, and then got the 5, right? And then you just put the 5 right here, right? But having done that, I'll use this now, and then go back to what we were doing. Now, the next step for you now is to get 9. See, you have 9 here again. What are you going to take 2 from in order to get 9? Is it a number bigger than 9 or smaller than 9? Actually, it must be a number bigger than 9. Then you're going to take away 2 from something to get 9, and that's it. An easy way again, you would have to say 2 and 9 to give it a bigger number would be 11. Of course, that would what would give you 9. So there you go. That's the question. Here again, 2 from 4 is 2, and now here to get 5 would be 3, and here to get 4 you need to have 5 here. So there you go. Let's go down again. So the letter 2 shape is drawn on a centimeter. Oh, the letter H shape is drawn on a centimeter square grid. See what the question is asking. It says write down the perimeter of the shape. Now, in order to find the perimeter of the shape, we use a lighter here for this one, medium. The perimeter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. So the answer is 26 centimeters. 26 centimeters. 26 centimeters. That will be the perimeter. Now remember that perimeter. Oops. Remember that perimeter is distance. Perimeter means distance around. Perimeter means distance around closed object. Just remember that distance around a closed object. Well, that concludes our first lessons. I'm gonna see you